Hi.
You want to say hi? So,
Yeah.
what you must never do, don't point at a dinosaur because he'll have your finger. But if you put your fist out and let him smell you, he might let you stroke him on the nose.
Do you want to come stroke him on the nose?
You put your fist down here,
Come on.
like this.
Come on.
Go on.
Look, Daddy do, look.
There we are. Watch your dad do it. There we are. Once you smell, there we
Wow.
go.
Ready? You gonna run up? Go. Woo! Wow. Come on then. Gonna go and find the baby dinosaurs.
Why? Why for, Daddy?
Because if you find them all, you'll get a lollipop.
Ooh,
Come on then, which way do you want to go? Left or right?
think right.
Okay.
This way.
Look out for the baby dinosaurs.
Dad, there's one! You found one!
Wow!
Now let me come. Is this one?
It's a paper on there. Get up on here. Right enough. Press the stamp down. Ready? Yay! Well done. Hold the piece of paper.
Right, when we get back, we're going.
Oh, what's this here? Is this one? I think we've done it. Yay!
Can you see it all disappearing? There we go. Okay. So we're going to empty it all out. There we go. So then you've got a magnifying glass here you can use. So what you do is you're going to see if there's anything you want to take home with you. So on here you've got all your different fossils that you could find, and then you've got lots of different gemstones on here. So I'll go and fetch you a little bag, and you can take any of this home if you want to.
Thank
In
you.
the bag, okay? So you just have a little look, and I'll go and fetch your bag.
Thank you. You get your magnifying glass. Wow.